In the grand tapestry of Islamic history, certain events shine with an unparalleled brilliance, illuminating the path of faith, resilience, and divine intervention. Among these luminous chapters stands the Great Battle of Badr, an epic saga that transcends time to impart invaluable lessons of courage, unity, and unwavering conviction. Join us as we embark on a captivating journey through the annals of time, delving into the heart of this historic encounter, where faith clashed with adversity and triumph emerged from the crucible of struggle. As we bid farewell to the echoes of battle and the resounding triumph of faith, let us carry forward the enduring legacy of the Great Battle of Badr. In its immortal tale, we find not merely a chapter of history, but a beacon of inspiration, guiding us through the tumultuous seas of life with unwavering faith, unyielding unity, and boundless gratitude. May the lessons gleaned from Badr illuminate our paths, fortify our spirits, and instill within us the timeless virtues of courage, resilience, and unwavering trust in the divine. For in the echoes of Badr, we discover not just a story, but a legacy of faith, valor, and triumph against all odds, etched forever in the annals of human history.